and welcome to another exciting episode of Coffee Chat with Cinder.
Yeah.
What do you think? You can see us better now. Isn't that interesting? Isn't it?
No.
You do like it better now that you can see us better, right? Please tell me you do. I hope you do.
I know those people screaming back, they don't like it too much.
Today we have fun stuff for y'all.
Yeah.
Have you got your coffee? I got mine.
What did I do to go so wrong? Raising you.
You make me who I am right now. Hi everyone, and welcome to another exciting episode of Coffee Chat with Cinder. Have you got your coffee? Or in this case, your chicken soup, because the flu is in epic proportions lately. I'm getting over it. My whole house has had it. So if I sound a little rough or I cough, please excuse me. Now, I bring y'all into my kitchen today because with the flu, a lot of us here are not wanting to be able, we're either not able to eat the same things or we just really don't want to. We feel really bad. So I have a recipe that I like to do that helps get your vitamins up and get your nutrients up, but it's easy to eat and it's pretty yummy. And with my low energy level, it's something that I don't have to stand over the stove and cook. All right, so what we're going to make is a broccoli cheese omelet. We're going to use the Sous Vide cooker. It comes with a recipe book, comes with a manual. I have used this to help me make chicken. I've used this to help me make some meat dishes that are really delicious. So today we're gonna do an omelet. All right, let me show you what ingredients I've got. We've got 3 eggs, salt and pepper, shredded cheese of your favorite kind, and some freshly thawed chopped broccoli. So let's get going. I never add milk to my omelets because that's just a mistake. You know, you're just wasting time with that. Now the one thing with the sous vide is that it requires your food to be in a vacuum sealed bag. You can either do that with a Ziploc bag, or you can do that with, you know, one of these vacuum sealers like I've got right here. So we're going to use my vacuum sealer today. A little bit of salt. Now we're going to put in the cheese and the broccoli, all that yummy goodness. Broccoli is a good detoxifier, and of course cheese and eggs are protein, so definitely needed. There's also a lot of vitamin A and C in broccoli, so this is going to perk them up really good. All right, this is what we're looking at right here. I'm going to divide that in half, and I'm going to put one in either one of these bags and vacuum seal them, and I'll be right back. Okay guys, so this is what the sous vide looks like. You look down here, there's a heating coil in here, and right there you'll see the little propeller things. What that does is it circulates the water for you as it heats it. Now this is the controller right here. You can have it set to Celsius or Fahrenheit. This is hours and minutes. That's your temperature showing right there. So we're going to go ahead and we're going to set it. And this is your dial that runs it up and down. So I'm going to set this for 1 hour. Yeah, 1 hour. I'm going to set it for 90 minutes basically. There we go. I'm going to tap that again, and that's going to get my temperature, which I want the temperature up to 140 degrees Celsius. Oops. Come on, you. As you can see, whenever you move the dial really quickly, it'll run through the numbers even faster. Now we hit that button. Let me see if it'll, let me see. Something like that, I think. All right. So, what it's going to do is it's going to continue to, what it's going to do is it's going to continue to go up, and it's going to then heat this pot of water, circulate it while it's heating it, and that's going to cook your food. Now, they give you this handy dandy bracket, which we are going to put on here. This is the part of the bracket that tightens around the sous vide. This is the part for the pot. So let me go ahead and get that put on. And it's really firm. It does not go anywhere once you get it on here. Never ever put the sous vide in something like a stew or a pot of soup or anything, because if you think about it, you're getting food caught up in those coils and in here, and all that's going to do is screw up the mechanism, because the mechanism is not designed for that. It is only designed to actually heat water. All right. Put it down in there. I also want you to notice there is a fill limit and minimum right there to there. So we're going to be adding some more water to it as well. All right, let me get this turned a little bit here so that I can tighten it using the other thing right here. It will not start timing until after it has reached the temperature you set. There. Now, that's the sound it makes. Listen to the whirring. Come closer. You can see it and you can hear it. And if you'll look, the temperature is starting to rise right here. There's your temperature starting to rise. So that timer will not start. Well, actually, that's your temperature, but there's the time. That time won't start until it has reached its optimal temperature, and then that's when we'll put the omelets in. Okay guys, so look at this. It's been about 10 minutes or so, well, a couple of minutes now. We're at 140 degrees. It beeped and let me know it was ready, so now we're going to take the omelets. I'm going to put them right in the water. Like so. And come look at this. See, there they are. And they're going to be in that water the whole time. And whenever the timer bleeps and they're ready, we'll come back. Okay? Bye-bye. Okay guys, little typo. The temperature is supposed to be 200 degrees for that hour and a half. So, get that. Probably just gonna, hope it slides out. Yep, it's gonna slide out pretty easy, I think. Alright, let me wash my hands and we'll go ahead and eat. Okay guys, so we have our willing guinea pig who's going to try one of these lovely taste of omelet. Look at how this came out. How is it?
It's interesting.
What do you mean interesting?
It's like, I can taste the egg, I can taste the broccoli.
Uh-huh.
And normally, hold on.
Mm-hmm.
It's like normally when you go to eat the broccoli, you know, it doesn't feel right in your mouth.
Right.
But the way you did it here, it's actually very nice.
Is it?
Yeah.
Okay, your turn. Film me, and I will give it a shot myself. Sorry.
Absolutely.
All right.
Get them taste buds ready.
I'm ready. Are you filming me? Are you on me now?
Yeah.
Here we go.
Dun, 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 dun.
Mmm. Mm-hmm. What happens with slower cooking like this is the flavor of the broccoli seems to spread throughout the egg, and so does the cheese. And it's got a very soft, warm texture to it now. So this is really good. So I give it a thumbs up. I really like it. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you have, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, if you'd like to hang around and visit more often, subscribe to our channel. We would be more than happy to have more red nosians. And until next time, guys, take care of you, and we love y'all. Bye bye.